Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have got a different type of review to do today. As you guys know, most of my subscribers know, my favorite Scally cap of all time by Boston Scally Company is the Trucker. It's just as much walking and stuff as I do outside in the sun, in the heat, in the summer times. That is my go-to cap. And so with that being said, scrolling through Facebook the other day or somewhere along the lines of some kind of social media, and an ad popped up for a company called Overlord. And so, me being me, gained my interest, sparked my interest, went over to that website, and I was like, well, those caps are really cool. Actually, these are actually hats. Can't say they're caps. I call these like caps. This is the New Era one, Detroit Lions one. But yeah, so with that being said, I got an Overlord box, and it's called overlordcaps.com, and they've actually put a seal on the box, which is kind of cool. So with that being said, I love how they did the box here, and we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up and show you the cap that's on the inside. Got a little chest piece there as well. You gotta like the crown though. Rule or be ruled, as they say, Overlord. And this is the first one I'm gonna do with them, so see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and actually I'm not gonna pause this video. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and show you what's inside. Let me get something to kind of cut this cord here. And there it goes. Everything looks like on the inside. Well, that's pretty cool. And this is the inside of the box here. Pretty cool. And I got my cap on the inside. And I'm sure many of my subscribers, people who view this channel, are in my age group of anywhere from 40s to 50s, and grew up watching some cartoons in the 80s. How about the cartoon Heathcliff? And pretty cool looking things they got going on here. Got the Overlord, Heathcliff. On the inside, they even got the little cardboard things on here, a little Overlord. Inside the cap, again, this is a trucker cap, and looks like it's already set for my size head. But you got the Heathcliff logo on the inside. Yeah, how about Heathcliff on there? I'm trying to think what the name of the bad people were on Heathcliff. I have to look it up. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go right into it. Show you more of a close-up here. I got the oranges and blacks. And we're going to go ahead and try it right on. All right, need to go up one more size on this bad boy. It's got the snapback on the back here. There we go. Yep. The Heathcliff by Overlord Caps. This is a doozy. This is a doozy. Like I said, it's more the nostalgia factor. And I got more caps coming my way. But yeah. Looks good. And I'm just curious, how many people actually watched Heathcliff growing up? But yeah. How about that? Yeah, I was more of a Heathcliff fan than I was a Garfield fan. With Garfield with the lasagna. Was it John and Odie? But yeah, the Heathcliff, I'm trying to think what the name, I'm going to have to Google that up real quick. What is the name of the bad guys in the cartoon Heathcliff? Heathcliff cartoon. There's actually a guy named Heathcliff cartoon. Riff Raff. That's what it was. The bad guy in Heathcliff was Riff Raff. Yep. So yeah, I figured that out. This is Overlord Cap, the Heathcliff one. This is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me guys know what you guys think about this Overlord Cap. And this will be worn in the summertime for sure. This is a lot higher quality. And this is like a patch on here, but it's actually sewn in, as you can see here. It's not like an iron-on patch to where after a while it'll just peel off, as I had some other issues with some of the other caps I had worn. But yeah, that's a keeper. Heathcliff, I'm 1 for 1 for Overlord. I got a few more caps coming, and I'll do reviews of those as well. Again, Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.